Alright guys, I finally got things figured out here. Well, I wasn't around in 1944 when this bed was produced, so I have to figure things out as I go. And in the previous clip, you may have noticed there was a hole right here. Well, that's so we could line this block of wood that I built up. Has to be 8 7/8 inches from the rib here on the front of the tires to here and parallel. So I have that. I drilled up through the floor of the bed, have a carriage bolt there, along with another one here. And now I've mounted the support arm to mock up. And it actually works out exactly the way it's supposed to. So all I have to do is drill a new hole here through the wood, tighten up that bolt and nut setup, do the same to the other side, and then I have to take my angle grinder and cut those threads off there. That's nothing. And I may drill another hole here. It may be offset a little bit just for more strength, but it's pretty solid right now. And you know, I'm not going to be driving this truck the way the soldiers and Marines and sailors would back in World War II. I won't be in those conditions. So anyway, got it figured out, and I'm going to finish up here, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.